working on the front bucket of my tractor, and I need to put bolts to hold a chain hook on, and I don't want the bolts sticking out like this one is here, because I'm going to paint it. I don't want it to get all gummed up. It's fine threads, and I'd like it to be like that, short, so it just fits at the end of the nut. I'm going to show you how to do that and not mess up the threads with bolts that you have that are too long and need to be trimmed back a little. Here we go. There's a couple ways that we can cut the bolt, and the best way, go ahead and put the nut on the bolt first. Put the bolt in a vise, and you can either put the side you're not cutting in, or if you know you're going to cut it, take a 1/4 inch off, you can put the end of the bolt in the vise. We'll go ahead and do that. So by doing that, we're damaging the threads a little bit. And we'll take a hacksaw where you want to cut it. Cut that off, and you can see the end is burred, and so you don't want those sharp edges. The first thing I like to do is try to back this out and see if I can smooth out that thread at the end. And I can. That's the advantage of having the nut on the bolt in the beginning. Clean that up, that thread up there. We'll take that out. Put the bolt back in. Put the nut back on. You can see how easy that went on. But you don't want those sharp edges on there. So we'll take a file. File those sharp edges down. That's nice and clean. Now again, we can back the nut off. It's good and it's new. Now, of course, I messed up the end of the bolt a little bit, and so this nut's not going to go on. So what's the trick to getting that bolt to go on and not mess up the threads? I'll show you. What I'm going to do is hold this at my bench grinder at about a 45-degree angle and just slowly turn it to get a 45-degree angle on the end of the threads. And what that'll do is it'll take down the edge, and the first thread that the nut grabs, it'll take it on straight. There you go. Nothing to it. That's how you do it. Thanks to Junior Parman, who taught me that many, many years ago. Works every time. If this video is a help to you, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. And I look forward to helping you with other projects online.